How to write a Deredere character. A Deredere character is someone who is really sweet and upbeat on the surface. They really care about the people around them and they're not afraid to show it. Show how they care about a specific person or love interest, or in general the other characters around them. A Deredere is someone, as I said, who won't hesitate to show how they care. So really show this. Are they someone who likes to hug the people they care about? Are they really cheerful and uplifting to those people? Do they like to do things for them, such as maybe bring them cookies or cheer them up when they are feeling down? Show why they care about this person or the people around them. Is it because those people were also there for the Deredere? Are they just the people in their life that the Deredere is really close to? Someone that they have a really close connection to? Show why they have such an upbeat and uplifting personality. How did they become like this? Understand where this upbeat and cheerful personality comes from and why they deeply care about and show their care to the people around them.